Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a text dissolve animation on Capcut mobile. So the things that you need to do first is open your Capcut and then create a new project, and instead adding a clip or a video onto it, you just need to add this black background onto the clip. And then the next thing that you need to do is add a text by clicking this text button on your main toolbar, and then go to this add text and insert the text that you want to add this effect. So for example, let me just type dissolve like this, and then the next thing that you need to do is change the color of it. If you have the normal color of this orange color, you need to change it onto the white color like this. And then the next thing that you need to do is go to the animation, and on this in animation you need to swipe up until you found dissolve, this one, dissolve animation, and increase the length of the duration from the animation onto the exact duration that you want. For me, I'm going to increase it to 2 seconds. And then the next thing that you need to do is click this lasting text on your text toolbar like this. This one is for make your text clip as have a same duration as the main clip, kind of like that. And then go to the animation one more time, go to the out animation, swipe up until you found dissolve out animation, this one, and you can increase the duration from it onto 2 seconds for me, for example. Okay, now I think I would like to add much more effect onto it. So just go to the styles like this on your text clip, this one, go to styles and go to styles, and then add a keyframe onto the first second of your duration like this, and then you can scratch your clip like this. Okay, now and on this duration I would like to add another keyframe, and then swipe left again onto this duration. I'm going to add another keyframe and then change the color from the text. So for example, I think I would like to change it on to green color like this. And then here on this next clip, I would like to add another keyframe. Swipe left again on this side, and then I would like to add another keyframe and change the color of the text onto white color. Then swipe left again. Here when the text is going to out animation, I would like to add another keyframe, and then swipe left again, and I'm going to change the color from the text maybe onto a red color, kind of like this. And then on this last minute or the last second, I would like to add another keyframe and one more time, and then change the font color onto white color. And when you're done, this is the final result of it. As you can see, your text is have this dissolve effect, and they have a color changing effect onto it also. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.